Hi, this is Ani, and welcome to the weekly outlook of the Dow Jones Industrials, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ 100 indexes. And we'll take a look at what's happening here. First of all, we have to take into account what's happening in Crimea and Ukraine and the long-term plan of those invasions from starting back in 2008 when they invaded, when Putin invaded Georgia. This is about oil pipe control, and that's basically what we're facing. Let's take a look at Dow Jones Industrials as to where we can be headed. With this lower open possibility, currently the futures are minus 131. And of course, depends on how well the market shakes off. This bit of news will be looking at a probable pullback to the 16,000 region, and that could mean a further breakdown, and we'll be having to watch just below that as well. This channel was broken out of this past week, and looking at that, we were looking at a possible higher hit at about the 16.5. However, that could be delayed right now. We could be coming back off of here and forming a different pattern. All right, so let's keep an eye on that. Actually, there's a natural formation of that regardless of a slight pullback here. Back down to that area and lower, possibly even to this region, the 15,007. But depending on how well this will form out, we'll be keeping an eye on that. All right, then let's take a look at the SPX. SPX is also broken out of this area right here, and was reaching for this top of the channel. However, with this candle of indecision Friday, again, it looks like there would be a slight pullback regardless of what's happening, down to possibly the 1840, and then we'll see how that supports. And with the current situation, we could be going lower again, to see if possibly down to the 1820 region. We'll be keeping as news develops, as other things develop, that can be what will determine how far we're going to go. On this one also, NASDAQ 100, we are again once more, it was reaching towards the upper channel, upper part of this channel. We were talking about this hugging of this upper part for a long time. We had this nice pullback correction recovery, and now it looks like it wanted to roll over. Again, another candle of indecision on Friday, and that could, because of the current situation, roll back over one more time down to this 3650, and down to the 3623, and even below there. We could be retesting those regions very easily, and then possibly pulling back down to test this region right here at the 3550. Now that's a couple of hundred points away, but we've done it once before and recovered, so we'll be definitely keeping an eye on what could be happening coming up with the news and the market news and the economy and everything else that affects these markets, including shrugging it all off. Take care, trade it well and carefully as always, and good luck in the markets. Bye bye.